Okay, so we got a lot done today actually. So as you can see, most of the motor is pretty much together. I figured out with the head cooling mod here, we got a lot of the wiring done. I did miss the knock sensors in there, so I have to undo the manifold again and snake that in. We need a water pump because this weep hole is completely open, so it would just shoot water out. Let me think. Fixed a little bit of the wiring here. The rest of them I just left. I was like, fuck it, they'll stay on. We do eventually the battery would be relocated up here. Yeah, a lot of stuff is in. Belt's not on. I think I put it in the trunk. I can't remember right now. I'm not putting the intake on yet. I probably should. Takes 2 seconds, but anyway, so I got that all done. So a lot of the car is ready to go. Got the fan in, radiator in, power steering and AC. Again, we didn't bleed them, so they're just about good to go. This is just IAC. Again, the intake isn't on yet. Yeah, so a lot of stuff is pretty much good to go. I got the starter in, which I don't think, yeah, you can probably just see it. As you can see, we fixed the motor mount here. Motor mount on that side's good. Wheels are on. I think I might just leave this thing jacked up. The exhaust neat's gone. The drive shaft's partially in. I only got 2 bolts in. I didn't feel like lifting up the back. I felt like taking a bit of a break right now. So yeah. What else needs to be done? I need to order mid-pipe. I need to order a thermostat housing, water pump, and then I need to drain the fuel because the fuel has been sitting in here for probably 3 years. We need to fill this thing with oil, and then we need to put coolant in here. But of course I can't. I could fill it with oil, but yeah, like I said, thermostat housing. I have thermostat, and I didn't do my thing where I normally fill up here because the thermostat housing is busted. But you can still open this up and fill it through there. I'm not sure if I want to try it or not. I might just fill it through here and then just drive it around and let it burp. But we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Like a lot of stuff I got bolted in. I don't have a lot of bolts left. I got a couple, I think. So this is pretty much everything that's left. Some of the stuff isn't needed, but yeah, some hose, a little bit of bolts. There's drive shaft bolt. Yeah, a couple of nuts. Not that. I think these are all for the exhaust. Yeah, those are all for the exhaust. This is all for the front bumper. So yeah, still don't know what the fuck this goes to, but we'll figure it out. Some O-rings. Yeah, so yeah. Some of these brackets I might just leave off because fuck it, weight savings. A couple of these bolts I still don't know what they go to, but I mean everything looks to be going in. I know this goes to thermostat housing, and I broke the other one, so yeah, that's how that goes. Yeah, a couple other, this bolt here, no fucking idea. But yeah, other than that, I mean that's pretty good for not labeling jack shit. These are cam bolts, we don't need that. But yeah, a couple nuts. But yeah, so far I haven't seen anything. Everything seems to be tightened down. I guess some of that other stuff must be for the front bumper or fucking whatever, but I mean, everything's on, it's tight. You know, this bracket's all tight and shit. Missing a bolt here, but I don't know where it went. But we'll find a fucking replacement. But yeah, as you can see, this is where the knock sensors plugs go. It's supposed to be under there. I fucked up. Oh well, I'll deal with it later. But yeah, this thing's not going to be the funnest to burp because of where this is, and it's kind of high. As you can see right there, it's kind of high. This isn't the highest point, but we'll kind of figure it out as we go. New Gates belt, hose, cut it. So yeah, this is a lethal performance head cooling mod. So that's how that works. Yeah, but other than that, I think we're just about almost good to go. Just a few small things, and maybe next weekend we will fire it. Okay, so I wanted to interject here about buying a water pump. I am actually not going to buy a water pump. So I'm putting up a picture right now of what one of the water pumps looks like. I thought because there was a slight hole in it that it needed to be filled or something, but after looking at pictures online, I see that that is completely normal looking at OEM pumps. So I'm not going to buy a water pump. I'm going to leave it be and just let it go, because that's how it looks like. I don't remember that on mine, but I haven't exactly looked at mine in my 97 for quite a while.